Can you hear me?
Yes. Hello.
Hello. Well, it's funny. I'm kind of nervous to ask this question. But no, it's not a question. It's actually feedback and a question in one, I think. But I had some times with the practice, and when I come into the space, and then it's so nice and it's so much fun. And then after my morning meditation, I go to work in that space, and then I'm in a meeting, and it's really funny, and a lot of things don't really make sense. And then for me, it's so hard to to relate with where I am and with the other people and with the meetings that I am in. And in a way, it's funny, but in another way, after those moments when I really have the feeling that I have to go back to my old state to be relatable and to function in my job, actually. And I really like my job, actually. And then after that, I get really afraid, and then it's so hard to do the meditations again. There's so much resistance and so much like you can't do it, and then you can't live your life anymore. And it's like the better the meditations get, the stronger the backlash after it gets, and it's really confusing. Yeah.
Yeah. Remember what I said at the beginning, the more confused you are, the more that you're learning. Okay, let's take it from there. When you are in the space, you feel fantastic, you feel great. Okay, and then you go to work. And then what you can do, because until now, what we have done is like, okay, I am in the character, and sometimes I have these little holidays in the space. And then you come back to the character. But now let's say that you are more in the space. And then what you can say, okay, I'm going to have a little holiday from the space, and I'm going to go to the character. And then you go to work with the role of playing the character. And it's a lot of fun because you're there, you have to hold your laugh. Okay, I'm the character now. Okay, oh yeah, I have to do this. It's very important. Oh my God, we're going to all die if we don't do that. Okay, doing. And then back to the space. You see,
Wow.
it's like now, now it's the other way around. Before I was a character, I was having holidays in the space. And now I'm in the space, I'm having holidays in the little character.
That's a nice experiment.
Yeah, it's what I'm doing every day.
Wow. I will try. Thank you.
Oh,